going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort, and China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the times that we're in right now, we definitely need to know how the world works. And then plus, much love to those who purchased the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. And then also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And do not forget the New World Order cryptos are in my Patreon. Plus, I keep you up to date with the New World Order events. And then also, much love to those who are shopping at both stores. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And guys, right now, the market is flat. And I told you we're definitely going to have a roller coaster ride because we know we have back. And then plus, we have the Fed meeting this week, today and tomorrow. And we know whatever the news that comes out of Jerome's mouth is going to swing cryptos and stocks. But you know I'm going to bring you that video. Plus, we have the banking committee in the Senate is going to be speaking about stable coins today. And I'll bring you some news on that also. But guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have volume, we have tether, we have USDC. And don't forget to pay attention to the actual repo market. We're going to see how they're going to start tapering back these purchases, or to even talk about raising rates. And then plus, guys, we have Grayscale, the Grayscale whale that swings the market up or down. Now, we have Dogecoin gains 25% after Elon Musk confirms Tesla will accept Doge for merchandise. And guys, we know this is all part of adoption. As soon as Elon Musk says anything about any crypto, it pumps and then dumps. And then plus, guys, we have Elon Musk says crypto's unlikely to replace fiat. And is he correct? Yes, because remember, cryptos and stable coins are 2 different things. Stable coins keep the banks in control. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. Now we have the Ukrainian bank uses Stellar to launch its stable coin pilot. And guys, we're starting to see real use cases popping up everywhere in 2021. We know 2022, they're going to flip the switch. Why? Because the digital yuan is going to rise. China the dragon. Now we have German Savings Bank wants to enable Bitcoin for 50 million clients so they can invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum from their actual checking accounts. And again, guys, real use cases. But again, they're going to be using fiat to purchase Bitcoin and Ethereum, which will eventually be the actual stable coins. Now we have Sandbox co-founder wants to defend the metaverse against big tech. But guys, we know big tech is funding the metaverse. Who came out with it, who made it famous already? That's right, Zuckerberg from Facebook. Meta. They even changed the name to Meta, guys. Don't fall for it. Now we have Robinhood working on a new crypto gift feature. And again, guys, that's all about adoption. Now, we know that Nike has already entered into the metaverse, but now they're swinging the money around. They purchased the NFT fashion and collectible startup RTFKT Studios. So again, guys, is big tech going to take over the metaverse? Yes, we already know that for a fact. Now we have NYDIG, valued at $7 billion already, guys, raises another $1 billion funding round to move adoption. Now we have Avalanche as USDC stablecoins and continued DeFi push. And again, guys, stablecoins are going to be implemented in the foundation of crypto. And then lastly, guys, we have remote working startup DEEL adds USDC and Solana as withdrawals via Coinbase. So now workers will be able to get paid in stable coins and crypto. In 2022, guys, this is going to speed up. Remember, we're waiting for that great event that's going to put people back in their homes where you're going to be remotely working and you'll be getting paid in digital currencies, and it's going to be daily. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books, It's Time to Re-Educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel, Cryptoteacher stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, where everybody's sitting at home, got their own stocks, the C-word, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Drama Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Drama Tam save New York from COVID Stories 3. Part 3. King Joshua and Drama Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.